Hey everybody, Anthony, Fourby4diesel. I'm here with Mark and Cole, and we thought you might like to have a look at another K&N air filter from this trip. What have we done now? It's nearly 12,000 Ks now. Nearly 12, it'll be over 12,000 by the time we get back tomorrow. That's it. Thanks for everybody that listened and sent through the texts, and you've got your orders all sorted, the money's in the bank, and the next day, though, we'll be getting packed and sent. I think that's Wednesday. So this one's got how long you had the K&N filter in there?
About 4 years, I think.
4 years? Yeah. And your engine hasn't blown up yet either?
No, surprisingly.
All right. And did you have a lot of paper filters in there before?
Oh yeah, it's been going for them all the time.
And did you notice when you changed them on this side of the box, the clean side, that there was a fair bit of dust?
Yes, there was.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now with the K&N filter there, even though we're nervous, would you agree we're a bit nervous about K&N?
Yeah, I haven't looked at it for this so far this trip.
But when you have looked at it for over the last 5 years, is it cleaner on the clean side than with the paper?
Yes.
No doubt about it.
It's a lot of dust caught in the filter. You see.
Chalk and cheese, yeah?
Yes.
Right, so all the people that don't agree, look, I appreciate the respect and that you don't agree, but you've got one example, maybe 2 or 3, and we've got hundreds and thousands, and we've got 4 on a trip right now. And let's have a look, because have you looked at it on this trip?
No.
Haven't even opened it.
This is the first time it's been opened since this trip, since I prepared it 2 weeks before we went away.
No, you must be crazy. I see people on trips opening their air filters all the time, letting dust in on the clean side.
Well, maybe I'm confident.
Yeah, that's it. All right, let's have a look whenever you're ready.
Colin's the tail in Charlie, remember?
Or silly, or one of the other.
Let's have a look. Let's see. All right, anything else? Any cracked pistons? No. Any oil leaks? What year is this? 2010?
2010.
So it's 14 years old and it's got no oil leaks. Bloody 1KDs there. There's got to be something wrong here. Can't we spot something? Bit of corrosion on the battery terminal, mate. Better clean that up.
Cracked the lid, and it's leaking a bit of acid mist, which is causing
so
corrosion.
the battery's cracked on top, is it?
The post seal's gone. That's why we're getting a little bit of sulfur gas coming out. That's what's causing that corrosion.
Wow, look at all this dust. That's the dirty side, and because it sticks, because it's oily and that from this air filter. Hang on, that doesn't look too bad. Did you clean this?
No,
Didn't you just say?
No, I haven't touched it.
Haven't touched it. That doesn't look too bad, does it? But there's
mine.
plenty of dust. So the oil factor, half of it sticks down in there.
Yeah, well, because when I really oil it, it actually drips a bit.
That's it. Yeah. Oh, doesn't that mess with your MAF sensor though? People say, oh, it messes with the MAF sensor. No, because it's
on the other side of the filter.
Okay, cool. All right. How about let's see what happens. Do you feel like popping that out? And we'll just see what happens. Yeah, that looks pretty clean on that side. That's like a new one. All these people that disagree. No, we always see that. We noticed that with Mark's yesterday. That's what I said. You're going to get a bit of a dirty MAF sensor. But so in the workshop, remember we work on Prados with these air filter boxes and the paper filters, and there are lots of different brands of them. And we pull them out from people that haven't done this much dust and dirt. And you can see the dust. No need to sort of go like that. But you do that and you see the marks in it. Here we've got a K&N filter. So you confirm you're the last vehicle, aren't you?
Yes.
Tail end Bubby or something? Tail end Charlie, that's right. Tail end Bubby.
Tail end Charlie.
Yeah.
This
all turned right, all turned left.
That's me.
All going again. What has it go?
We're all rolling.
We're all rolling, yeah, that's it.
This filter has a bigger rubber, so it seals better.
Seals better, yeah.
When you clamp it down, you can feel it clamping.
So do you put grease on that, or you don't even worry about it?
I used to, but not anymore.
You don't need to, because it works. Unlike the paper filter rubbers that the dust sucks past.
Yes.
People, do you just want to have a good look at that, or what? Is that even sunshine there? It's not dust, that's sunshine.
No, sunshine, look, yes.
That's the sunlight, right. Okay, so don't even think that was dust over there. That's the sunlight as well, right? We've got the sun over there. I'll show you. Look, have a look at this one.
Look down.
Look at this, check this joint out. Look at this, what an afternoon. Sun's nearly gone down. Anyway, back on the job over here. Back on the job.
Get back to work. I just put my hand in the sunlight.
So I reckon I should be getting commission off K&N now, right? I mean, you know, everyone's going to go buy a K&N filter now because, do you remember how much this cost you?
I think it was $40 because it was on special.
No way, mate. No chance.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah, okay. Well, nah. I brought one about over 10 years ago. Probably 15. What I had a 1KZ, it was, what year was that? I had that 2000 and...
It wasn't, I don't think it was that year.
2012, 13. I think I paid about 120 bucks for it.
Oh, I don't know. I'd go as far as 70, but I don't think it was much more than that. I wouldn't have get it past the finance, the Minister of Finance. It was more than that.
Well, paper filters back then were about, for a Ryco, was about 30 bucks. They're probably about 50 now, I'm going to guess. Same price as genuine, roughly.
Yeah, it was
so
a bit more, I reckon it was a bit more than double, but there wasn't. Yeah.
For about the price of 2 paper filters, you get a K&N filter, though, even today, right? So they haven't gone up a lot, is what I'm thinking. Just because I get them for 120 doesn't mean that's the cheapest. I'm sure you can get them probably cheaper as well. I'm probably getting ripped off. Good to see your ARB compressor there hasn't blown up yet like mine has. If you missed that, there'll be more videos on that as well. But come on, put in the comments. I can't wait to see the comments on this one. You know, careful what you disagree with is all I'm going to say. Respectfully, you can disagree, no problem. We can agree to disagree, but it's a bit crazy when you've only got one vehicle or a couple of vehicles and you've used, and, you know, for some reason that's what your findings are, but we've seen, to be modest, hundreds of paper air filters in the workshop of people that have had a bit of dust. And they're dusty, crazy dusty on this side here. Like, you know, you get in these holes here and you just, you know, you can see this thing's just bloody spotless. And does this go pick up the kids from school and go to the shops and all that?
No, it does not.
What does it do?
It sits in the garage waiting for the next trip.
That's it does trip. So this bloody thing, all it does is trips, dust, and trips. This is a trip vehicle. It's a Prado for trips, 1KD, last of the best. All right, how's this battery going? Should we tell them about how good this battery is as well while we're at it?
Go for it.
How old is this? February 21,
Yeah.
22, 23, 24, 3 years old already. Wow, that's crazy. It's the 90 amp hour. It's running an Engel fridge. It's bloody awesome because I saw it in the morning. The voltmeter was saying 12.9 volts in the morning, running the fridge all night. And then I said, nah, that's got to be out a little bit. So we put the multimeter on it, and the multimeter said 12.72, if I remember correctly. Huh?
Correct.
And that's bloody good for a battery that's run a fridge all night in warm conditions. I mean, cool overnight, but warm. It's not like middle of winter. We've got 30-degree days on this trip, perfect weather the whole time. And like I said, have a look at it, bloody beautiful. Currently probably 25, but you know, I think it was 28 today. Is that what you saw?
And the fridge is set at 1.5 degrees at the bottom.
A proper cold Engel though, proper real fridge is going to use more power.
Frozen stuff in the bottom.
12.7, so that's a bloody awesome battery. Every battery, don't forget. Oh, was I making it up saying 10% discount? I reckon it was 10%, but I could be wrong and it's 5%, is it? Officially it's 5. I'm going to have to talk to them about that because, you know, they're selling so many batteries because they're so good. Because I should commission on K&N, commission on bloody Century batteries, commission at every battery. What else can I get commission on here? What else is good? Those ARB compressors, everybody's got them, so they are reliable. Mine's shagged out. We'll have a look in a video and see what's wrong with it.
Maybe, is there anyone else that's had one fail and has done an autopsy on it?
There is some comments on one of the videos where we talked about it in the video.
Right.
So we'll have to have a look at that. But there's not a lot, you know. It's not gone crazy.
No, yeah.
So it's only the regulars that are going to see. This is 8.5 minutes now. So only the regular, loyal, awesome people are going to watch and listen to the whole video. People like Les in Scotland, you know. Yeah. Just to name one, you know. You see the comments.
We love him.
That's it.
Go, Les.
And see the work he's done on it. He brought it back from the dead.
Awesome.
That's it. So... that's good. What else we got here? So compressor, look, so we still like them, but I think it should last longer than 10 years because it's just something that gets used every now and then. Battery's awesome. K&N filter. I think the proof's there, so everyone can do what they want. Don't do what I say. Use what you see in the videos for your own information to make your own decisions. This Optima here. So why is it? Can I just get over there?
Look at the age of it.
Oh yeah, 17. Okay, so it's not even 10 years old though, you know. My mother-in-law's Camry's got a over 10-year-old Optima, a yellow top in the Camry. I think it must be 11 or 12 now. I don't know. It just starts the car. And I've got plenty of stories from people that have got them over 10 years old. So when I see it, this one is a bit bubbled and whatever. So tell me more about this, you know, corrosion and how the sealing around the terminal's not happening.
Yeah, well, I looked it up. Why is it corroding? Because I cleaned it off with baking powder a few times to neutralise it.
And it keeps coming back,
It keeps coming back. And then my research showed that it's an effect of...
Sorry, mate, I just wrecked your battery terminals.
If the post is loose or the seal's been affected, then you'll get gases coming up, and that'll cause the corrosion.
Yeah, so just give it a wash every now and then.
Which
Whatever.
sometimes is caused from people knocking these down. People tap them down.
Instead of being lazy, open it up, spread it,
and
yeah.
then push them on by hand. Yeah,
That's it. So then when you tighten up, so this one, the gap's not closed all the way, so the pressure's on the terminal, holding the terminal, where a lot of people, they're lazy, they don't push it all the way down. That point there will be touching together, so that's tight there, but not tight there. They're just lazy, they don't open them up. These ones, you loosen it off, they just go, because they're thin material. A lot of people don't like them, but I think they're good, they're great. I've got a set of those on the Optima that's in the toolbox in the Ute, in the Hilux, you know. What's this walking up my leg? Some giant buoyant, mate. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, people. You can subscribe, turn the bell on if you want. What's going on there?
It used to be stuck to the battery, but
Look, just because you haven't got any problems doesn't mean you haven't been lucky. So, hey, everybody, with your electrical, make sure it's all secured properly. And we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.